So I can track the status, the date, the platform, the type of content that I've created. You can see if you have maybe more than one brand. I know Matt Huss, who just talked, has 3 YouTube channels. You can also do things like categorize what type of content, the topic you're discussing. And here I've got my thumbnail. And also I've got it belonging to a playlist on my channel. But here on the page, this is like a Word document. So this is yours to do whatever you want, how you want to structure it. And so in this case, I always like to, after I've filmed a video, I'll go through and add my chapters and I write them here and then copy and paste them over. I'll generate title ideas. I'll just do a rough draft of what's the outline. You can have a little checklist of what are some of the things you need to do for this specific video. And also, I always like to know my intro. What am I actually going to say at the start of a video? But the rest of it, I just follow my outline. So during a recording, I will have my intro, my notes, etc.